Hello everyone, today I am bringing you, fixing my mirror, another easy hairstyle. I have my hair in plaits. I had it trimmed, so I had to put rubber bands in the end. But now I'm getting ready to style it and show you how easy you can do a hairstyle after you have plaits. And these are 3-strand plaits. We call them plaits, not braids, because you see, it's a plait. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you an easy way to style your hair. I try not to make the plaits too small when I'm only keeping them for a couple of days. If I'm planning to keep them for more than 2 weeks, or more than a week, I'll make them a little smaller, but just for a couple days, I make them bigger. And I do that myself. My sister, when I was growing up in Dominica, used to comb our hair every single day. And we had to learn how to do it also. And she would teach us. One would teach the other. She taught me, and the one after me, I taught her, and she taught the one after her, like that. We pass it down. And my mom used to comb our hair for us, and that was my treat. I know I've said that before. That was my treat, with my mom combing my hair on a Saturday afternoon after we have shampooed it with hibiscus leaf. That was like the best thing for me, and it's maybe one of my top memories up there with all the other memories there, but that one is on top because that made me feel so much love. She would take my hair, take the Vaseline and grease the scalp, comb my hair. Back then I suffered with dry scalp. So she'd mix the Vaseline with castor oil, or sometimes just the castor oil by itself. And she would grease my scalp, and that would soothe my scalp and feel so good. And it's not until later, like late in life, I find out it was a type of psoriasis I had, which have much cleared up. And my scalp is so much better now. But even with that didn't prevent my hair from growing. My hair grew. I've always had long hair. And my hair, I have like 2 textures in my hair. From hair go back, my hair is very curly. And from hair come front, it's a mixture of curls and straight hair. But my mom did that, and I mean, Saturday afternoon was a pleasure. I look forward to that all the time. Now, all my hair is out. So what I do, I'm gonna take this and do this. I'm not combing it all the way out. I'm just taking a portion of the front. Just like this. Because it's a quick style. My hair is very frizzy, and gray hairs are very unruly. But this is a quick style you can do. I take one of these. These are the plastic ones. I came across them and I'm loving them. I was like, where have I been all this time? This thing been around for a while and never used it. And I just put it until I think it is fine. I never do my hair tight because my scalp is sensitive. It will hurt. So I don't do it tight. So this, I do this, and then I try to make sure the fluff is just right. I'm looking in the mirror, so that's why I'm looking down. See my mirror? That's why I'm looking down. So now I am just going to fluff this. And I'm not worried about the sides. If you are worried, you can put, the one thing I'll do for the sides, I'll take a clip and I'll clip here and I'll clip there, and I'll show you how I do that. But other than that, I'm not worried about gelling it down or anything, because the gray hairs are not going to stay down. And once the gel touch my hair, it will be straight for a while, but then all the curls start pulling themselves together. My hair and water gets very curly. So this is still blow dry hair. I just plait it, and now I'm just taking out to do a style. Before I clip the sides, let me show you what the back looks like. This is the back. So what I do, I just lift. I'm not combing it out, I'm just lifting it out. And then I just fix to make sure it suits what I'm going for. You see how curly the back is? The back of mine is very, very curly. Take a look, you see? It's all curls. I have two textures. I've had my hair like this for a while. Now I'm gonna pin this and I'll show you the finished look. You can take one of these bobby pins, and because like I said, I trim it so all my hair is not one length, I'll go like this and clip it. If you have these side combs, like we used to call it, you can use that too. You can use it, go up or whichever direction, and just put it in here like this. You see? So you can do it either way, a bobby pin or a side comb. You can do that. Like I said, I'm not going to bother to do anything else. I am perfectly okay with my grays sticking out and doing the job. I am not afraid of that. That doesn't faze me one bit. But this is what, and I'm just fluffing the back a little bit more to spread it out so it's not so curly. And then this is my simple, natural blow dry hair look. Simple, easy. The hair was already blow dried, not iron. I do a couple 3-strand plaits, and now I'm just styling it to make it look different. So here we go. The side, front, and let's see what the back look like. And this is the back. I hope this hairstyle was helpful to you. Go ahead and embrace your natural hair, your kinky hair, your gray hair. I mean, embrace it. The more you force over it, the worse it becomes for you, the more happy you'll be. Embrace it for what it is. If you love gray hair, rock it. If you don't, color it. Your preference. Do what works for you. This easy hairstyle. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Always remember, if you're suffering with any addiction, mental illness, or any other ailment, seek help. Help is available. Mental illness is a disease that a lot of people are hiding and ashamed of. Please do not be ashamed of your mental illness. All of us, we are struggling with something. So don't be ashamed. Seek help, find help. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt somebody else. And keep rising. And just live each and every day to the fullest for what it is. When you're having a bad day, call somebody. Talk to them. Let them know how you're feeling. But do not hide it. Don't hide it. If you have an addiction, same thing. Don't hide it. When you're tempted to do it, call somebody. Tell them, I am seeking help because I am thinking of this. Please help me. But do not suffer in silence. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.